started this video as a nice little fun vlog style video of me and the girls doing some fun stuff, Kristen, and we got rained out yesterday. So we're on to the next day here, and it's turned into tearing this carpet out and exposing the wood floor. So I'm going to cut it into strips, bag it, get it out of here, expose the floor, and start sanding the edges and prep for the tung oil and the heat. I got to get the heat on. We are dangerously close to cold weather. Not cold weather, but cold enough weather where I'm going to need to have the heat on here. So let's get started.
You thought... Oh my gosh.
I didn't get a chance to say how happy Kristen was going to be about that.
Oh yeah, that is so awesome. That's awesome.
I don't know where that ductwork's coming from, but...
Well, it's not really ductwork. It's
metal.
Yeah, this can come out. Did you take this out?
No, I just uncovered it.
Happy dance, happy dance. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Now, I don't know if that's like original to the house because it's not cast iron, but.
No idea. All right, it's there. There it is. It doesn't really look any better than the other floor. In fact, it's kind of worse. Somebody tried to put 4-leveler in here to cover a crack up rather than fix it. They just put a bunch of whatever it is in there. But it's bad. It looks like some possible lead. I don't know. You can kind of see the path where people walked. They're going around this way. Right there's a good trail of where people walked. The bed probably sat right there. And then somebody scabbed in this board. So I will fix that like I fixed the one in the other room. With some of the spare floorboards from the attic. So next, it's going to be to pick, well, pop up all these carpet things. I don't know if anybody's ever done these before. Let me tell you what. These are the sharpest little nail things, these strips that hold the carpet down on the edge. They are sharp. It's like needle sharp. And they hurt. So wear gloves, be careful if you ever have to pull these up or anything. Carpet's up, pads up, carpet nailer edge things are up. Now staples. There's probably, conservative estimate, 1,000 staples in here. So I'm changing tactics just a bit. This stuff is 2 or 3 layers thick. You can see it right here. There's the brown on the right, the maroon, and then the green, which I'm only guessing is some sort of primer or something, but this stuff is really it's beginning to be a pain to get off. I don't know, the other floors weren't as bad as this. So this is how much I've gotten done in an hour. About 4 feet. So I'm gonna use the stripper to see if I can save my sanding pads a little bit. So what's happening is I'm using my sanding pads, and as usual, they're loading up with the varnish. And what happened, they create little hot spots. So when the things load up, they create these little hot spots, and then the hot spot sits higher than the sanding disc itself, and they just about stop sanding. And I can tell when I first start sanding, I mean, I'm cutting it, I'm going through it, and it's going pretty good. Then they start loading up, and it gets slower and slower to sand a spot, and slower and slower. That's why you see me turn the sander off, turn it over, and look at it, because I'm trying to see if that thing's loading up or not. So I'm gonna try the stripper and see if that will help me a little bit. These floors are gonna be the death of me, but that's what Kristen wants. So that's what she gets. Princess. It is Saturday morning, and we're getting ready to head up north. Got to get the pontoon out, and I'm not closing the trailer up this weekend because myself and a friend are going up, and we're gonna do some muskie and bass fishing next weekend. So I'll close the trailer up at that time, but got the trailer ready here. Gonna load it up. I just greased the axles, check tire pressure. We'll load that thing up. We're gonna go up north, pull pontoon. But it's warm today. Nice day. And I think we're gonna go, I mean, we may even swim. It's October 7th. We're gonna do some swimming. I'm down. Grass needs mowed, but it's rained and it's a jungle. So I'm off work this coming week. I got a lot of work to do around here. So upcoming, we're gonna get the heat finished, get the edges of the floor sanded, get the heat finished so I can make sure the heat's ready to go. We're gonna get the boiler ready for winter this coming week. And I got a whole bunch of things going on. So we'll bring you along for all that. Maybe break it up into a couple videos, I don't know. That would be the smart thing to do. So, all right, we're getting ready to go. Stay tuned. We're finally on the road here. We had to stop and get a few things for the cooler. Food. For dinner.
Beef.
Beef. It's what's for dinner.
Okay, right there.
The essentials. Potatoes, cookies. All the healthy stuff that we all love to eat. Ready to go?
Yep. Yeah. I'm excited to swim.
You're excited to swim?
You weren't pointed at me.
And I brought my own camera.
Nice.
Doesn't even...
No, run me over, eh? To catch a fish. I cast
say it
that.
again.
I cast that.
Yeah, you did. Way out there.
Liv already caught one.
Yep, Liv caught one. Which I didn't get it on camera. Gwen just wants to catch one at all costs. I'm not sure the fish is gonna bite it with a big bear wandering over. Oh, I'm going to eat you.
There's a fish. Here, let's cast it.
No, it's
There's honey, there's no fish right here. There's a little teeny fish. They're just gonna eat your worm. Okay.
All right, I'm running around like crazy. Fish are getting caught left and right. Quinn just caught a little bluegill.
I didn't get any yet.
You will. Uh-oh. No, don't push it down in.
Go.
Bring it back up. Here, you hold this.
My hands all slimy though. Fish surgery 101.
Oh, this thing.
Slimy now.
Good catch.
I'm gonna eat my worm.
All right, come over. We'll get a new worm. That's good. Something ate your worm. Pick your pole up. Don't drag your pole through the sand.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
That's
oh
a-
my god. Look at that. That's so pretty.
Hey, wait, guys.
Can I hold on?
Can you throw it over here to see if it'll eat that bait?
No. No.
Hold the pole.
I am.
Okay.
What are you doing? Can I throw him back in the water?
Here, hold this.
Oh my gosh. I
Man, that's a good bluegill.
literally just got a good. He's so pretty. Finally, I got a fish. If I see my hook in there. Yay! Let's see if he moves when I touch him.
Watch the camera.
Is he dead?
No.
This is a hard one.